Act 1 beginners, please. Act 1 beginners.
Well, it's no good you going on. I can't open sardines and answer the phone at the same time. I've only got one pair of feet.
Is it a party? You know, let me say this one thing. I've worked with a lot of directors. Some were geniuses, some were bastards, but I've never met one that was so totally and absolutely, you know?
Sorry? Ladies and gentlemen, will you please take your seats? The curtain will rise in 2 minutes.
You know how stupid I am about moves. Sorry, it's just my usual dimness, but why do I take the things off into the study? Wouldn't it be more natural if I left them on? No!
Everyone's always so nice to everyone.
Well, it's no good you going on. I can't pick sardines off the floor and answer the phone. I've only got one good leg.
So what are we celebrating? Brooke,
Yes?
are you in?
In.
Are you there?
What?
You're out, okay? I'll call again.
Sorry.
Okay, it's all right for you. You're sitting out there. We're up here. We've got to do it. You know, plus we've got doors, we've got bags, we've got boxes, plus words. I mean, you know what I mean.
This is such a lovely company to work for. It's such a happy company.
Tim!
Do something?
Ladies and gentlemen, will you please take your seats? The performance is about to begin.
That's what it's all about. Doors and sardines. Getting on, getting off, getting the sardines on, getting the sardines off. That's farce. That's the theater. That's life.
Sorry?